Hello guys, how to fix CRC, Cyclic Redundancy check data error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to fix such type of CRC error in Windows 10 and Windows 11, the first workaround here, open this PC or my computer, go to your drive and right click on it and choose properties. Here go to the tools from the top menu bar and under error checking, check the click on check option. You don't need to scan the if choose a scan drive and let the window scanning your system, your drive was successfully scanned. If any error available, it will show you here. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute chkdsk scan command, where X denotes to your file drive, either D or E, in which you are facing CRC error. So execute this command. chkdsk scan error command will scan your system for drive error. Any of your drive if having errors, it will show here and repair them accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to command prompt windows as administrator mode and here execute sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted file system. Any corrupted file system may be a cause of CRC error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's all.